Want to dress like this? But you don't know where to start? I'm here to guide you through that. This video will tackle the origin of this aesthetic, how to build your Acubi wardrobe, and websites where to purchase Acubi-styled clothing. Let us begin. The word Acubi first appeared in reference to a South Korean fashion brand that combined the streetwear, minimalism, and Y2K aesthetics. It highlights the use of layering hacks, neutral colors, and clothing that accentuate your body type and silhouette. Tight long sleeve shirts, baby and plain tees, skirts, baggy pants, and simple jewelry are essential components of the Acubi style. Here are more examples of this style. Next up, Guide to Building Acubi Wardrobe. Black, gray, white, and brown are examples of neutral colors that work well with the Acubi style. Investigating the various ways in which these colors might be combined is crucial to producing a pleasing, contrasting, and well-balanced appearance. The neutral color scheme of the style simplifies buying clothing, as it can be easily matched with any other color, including colors found in the Acubi style color palette and those that belong to other aesthetics. Since you're just getting started, I suggest adding to your wardrobe with a small number of purchases. These are the necessities for the Acubi look. Purchase 2 high-quality t-shirts, choose between white, black, and creamy colors, and 2 form-fitting long-sleeve shirts, one that's graphic and the other in dark gray. Choose between dark gray or khaki baggy cargo pants and dark-washed vintage boyfriend jeans. We're halfway to understanding the essence of Acubi, so let's introduce some layering and textures. You may create the ideal pieces for layering by altering simple items of clothes that you already own. If you don't make your layers appear as though they are one piece of clothing, the desired effect will be lost. However, there are exceptions, like with the netted sweaters. Textures such as netted fabric, classic leather, velvet, mesh, and linen can improve the look of your outfit. A white cropped sweater with netting is something I'd suggest spending some money on. Highlight your distinct Acubi style by choosing textures that complement your clothes. Accessorizing with minimalist items gives your outfit depth and lets you show off your personality. Star-studded bracelets, earrings, and hair clips offer individuality and balance to your outfit, making you look even better. Choose accessories such as neutral-colored caps, minimalist headphones, retro sunglasses, waist chains, star-shaped earrings, and star clips. One thing to pay attention to is avoiding chunky accessories, as they will take away the Acubi style's simple look. Our objective is to build an Acubi wardrobe that reflects the aesthetics it originated from. When purchasing clothing, you should take 2 factors into account: quality and cost. Ideally, you want to spend your money on items that are well-made and don't cost hundreds of dollars. Here are some websites that offer cute and reasonably priced Acubi outfits. YesStyle. Lukin. Daisy. Oil. will take some time to create a wardrobe that fits your preferred style, but it is achievable and worth the wait. In order to avoid making impulsive decisions that you will later regret, always practice patience and proceed cautiously. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.